I just got in. I took a trade here already. As you can see, niggas, I sold already. Because why did I sell already? Let me explain. Let me break down this chart. Let me break down this chart real quick. You get me? Okay, I'm just gonna start on the weekly. As you can see, I don't wanna spend a lot of time right now because I'm already in this trade, so I'll just be quick with my analysis. Guys, we're doing structures over here. It's all structures. As you can see, the market has been forming lower lows. I'm gonna start over here. Lower lows. Okay, before that, I just want to highlight that we were forming higher highs. You see, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And then we failed to break this high, and then we've been breaking these lows. You get me? We've been breaking these lows, and until we finally broke this low here. But then this one is also significant, so we broke it. As you can see, if I can pull it all the way, structure came to retest this low. So we've been breaking the lows. I just want to get a straight line. Oh, it's away. We've been breaking the lows. As you can see, we also now recently broke these lows. Recently. This is very recent, guys, a few weeks ago. So then we've broken these lows. Already, you can tell that the market is bearish. I'm just going to turn this into red because for bearish trading zones, I like to use red, and for bullish trading zones, I like to use blue. So as you can see now, we are fully bullish, my nigga. We are bearish. We're in a bearish trading zone. So I'm just gonna bring it to the most recent one. I'm gonna be explaining this quick. So we pushed and we retraced into here. And we didn't break this. So we remained bearish here in the weekly. The daily might have broken, but then you see the weekly didn't break. The daily broke and came back in. So with having said that, I'm just gonna go straight into the daily structures, bruh, because this is where we at now, and to tell you why I sold now here. So market has been coming in nicely. We broke this low here. Came in and retested it and sold off again. So okay. Broke this low from the higher low. From the higher low, formed the lower low. From the lower low, formed lower high. Because look, guys, there's no body close here. Let me just make this thinner. There's no body close above the wick. This means that we are still bearish. You see, I've made it thinner, and you can see that we are still bearish. That's why we reacted and shot down. The 4-hour might have closed above. Also the 4-hour didn't close above. I'm just, why I switched the time zones is so you can see the fake out. Sometimes it pushes above and comes back down. That's a fake out. As you can see, the example we did with the weekly. The weekly, there's no close above. But then in the daily, there was a close above here. So it was a fake out. That's why it sold off. So now that's why it also sold off. There's no body close above. So we're currently in a downtrend, as you niggas can see. And now this is the move that caused the break of this low. This is the move. So that's why when I draw my fib, I'm gonna take it from up here to down here. As you can see now, we have been rejecting price nicely, bruh. We came in here, we rejected. That's why I sold. That's why I have an entry here, because now we have retraced, and I would like the market to push down. I've started taking risks because I'm looking for sales in this market. So we've reached a point. We've created a point of resistance here. I'm still on the daily. So going into the 4-hour, you can see that structures. We are at a point of resistance in this area somewhere here. We are near the 61.8. So the reason why I sold off is because 1-hour structures have turned bearish. That's why I sold off. As you can see, if I can draw these 1-hour structures, they were coming in nicely, bullish. I need to make this thick again. No, it's too thick. Yeah. You see, when our structures were bullish, breaking highs, breaking highs. Okay, this thing doesn't want to be straight. Come on. Yeah. Breaking highs. And then until we finally broke this low. As you can see, we broke the structure here. We broke it and came back in. In the 4 hour, it didn't, in the 4 hour, the 4 hour is still bullish. The 4 hour is still bullish. So that's what I need you to understand. The 4 hour is bullish here and here. The 4 hour is bullish between here and here. Between this high. Just gonna turn it into blue. See, don't get me wrong. The 4 hour is bullish. So the 4 hour is bullish here. But then, remember guys, we are in a bearish trading zone. We are bearish up here and down here. We are bearish at the top here. Oh, actually it's here. Yeah. Actually it's here. I didn't draw this line, sorry. We're bearish here and here. Down here. We are in a bearish trading zone. So price can do whatever it likes here. It can push higher, but as long as it doesn't break this, I'm looking for sells all the way to the downside. That's why I've already started selling here. That's why I've already started taking risks here. Because this can happen, can sell off. So right now we are here, and we'll see what structures do. Let me just delete these. Yeah, I think that's it for AUDUSD. Let's go ahead and stop this.